Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Volkswagen e-Golf. The Volkswagen e-Golf is the company's first all-electric car. It maintains the spirited driving experience of internal combustion versions of the Golf. The e-Golf is the best handling electronic car in its class and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.